Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off accessibility reader on iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then go to accessibility. There you will find read and speak. Click on that and then you will see on the top accessibility reader. Click on that and then you will get this option over here, start accessibility reader, by using the accessibility shortcuts and or like from the control center. To turn this off, you have to do is click on that toggle and it's going to be turned off, and you will never get the reader option over here, or like his reader access on your iPhone if you turn this off. And that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like more videos, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.